the Philippine National Police, particularly dito pa lang sa Metro Manila, we are confronted with an average of 3 rallies every day. Iba-iba ito, iba-ibang grupo. Merong Anak Pawis, may Anak Bayan, merong Manibela, group from transport group from youth. Iba-iba, no? Whether pro-government or anti-government. At we're used to have this kind of rally. And we welcome na magbigay sila ng ganyang saloobin at freedom of express. But may condition ito, no? May condition ito. If the exercise of right imprints the right of others, then this right ends. And so we are prepared and continuously improving our security operations to that. And resources are available such that magamit natin ito, whether big or small, ay ating papantayan or ating tutugunan. Okay? So, the Philippine National Police is always ready. After all, yan po ang ating commitment, serbisyo na ibibigay.